Okay, well, I'm Tom Jones. I'm a fisherman at Conway Mussels. Well, they're a true natural mussel here. You know, there's no man interference for them. They're not put there. They grow there naturally, and they're in the estuary. So they're getting a mixture of nice salt water from the sea, and they're getting loads of nutrients from the fresh water from the Welsh valleys. So we always say we've got a really nice, sweet, distinct taste, and they're much bigger and larger and tastier than any other mussel for that reason. So the way we collect the mussels here in Conway is one fisherman in his own little fishing boat, a wooden fishing boat, and a long pitch pine rake, like a big garden rake really, and they've got to throw that into the deep water and rake the mussels off the bottom. So it's a practice that takes, you know, years to sort of master, if you like, but that's the way we've been doing it for hundreds and hundreds of years here in Conway. So after what we call a tide, when we've got our mussels in the boat, we bring them ashore then, so they all get washed. They go into our building here on the quay and they all get hand washed. Everything's by hand. There's no big massive machineries or anything like how they do other mussels. You know, everything's like literally from sea to plate, all done by hand. So we decided to get involved with the PDO because it'd be important to us to have some sort of protection with the mussels, because we know we've got a very unique mussel here. The Conway ones are very specific because of, like I said, where they grow in the estuary, you know, the taste, the size, the barnacles on them, the characteristics of them, if you like, and the fact that it's all done here on the quay. So we felt we needed some protection from that to stop other people just saying they were Conway mussels when they weren't. We're part of Conway's heritage, you know, really, like, you know, you come to Conway, you see the castle, you come and taste the mussels as well. You know, it's part of the reason why people come to Conway.